customer service can make or break a business now more than ever. A drop in consumers often comes from poor customer service, which lowers sales and earnings for your company. These facts have always been true. The way companies provide customer service, however, has changed. In a recent J.D. Power poll, 67% of participants said they had asked a business for assistance on social media, and at 7 Social, we find Facebook to be the best platform for customer service on social media for most companies. Users of Facebook come from every demographic. You can find them on Facebook, regardless of whether you're seeking to attract teenagers or retirees. Almost all your customers will have the Facebook app directly on their phone or the website bookmarked to their computer. This means access is quick and easy. To get started providing customer service using Facebook, you must first create your business page. Filling out the page info area will go a long way toward making your company appear approachable to everyone who stumbles across your page. Provide as much information as you can there, including a description of your company, your opening and closing times, your address and phone number, your website URL, and your pricing range. Customers will be looking for these things every day, and if the information is difficult to obtain, this can be seen as a red flag pointing to horrible customer service. As part of our page creation, setup, and management package, 7 Social can do all the hard work of creating your page for you. If you already have a Facebook page, we will perform an audit and make the necessary changes to make it perform better.
Monitoring your brand's mentions on social media includes keeping a watch on them and responding to any discussion that arises. It is an immediate response technique that applies to all forms of brand discussion, including product reviews, product inquiries, and even service repair complaints. It also includes postings that make reference to your brand without tagging you. It's crucial to set up your social monitoring tools because these posts won't show up in your typical network notifications. Making your clients feel heard and supported is the instant benefit of social media monitoring. After all, people mention your brand for a number of reasons. 47% of customers send inquiries about products or services on social media by mentioning the brand. It also helps you to get to know your audience better. Despite the fact that you may believe you know your customers based on assumptions and market research, you still need to directly ask them for their opinions and views. You can learn more about your consumers' characteristics and preferences in this way. We've said it before, and we'll say it again here. Data is king. Not only when it comes to marketing, but also when it comes to customer service. A company can be losing clients without realizing it if it doesn't look at data on their interactions with it. Reviewing such data might reveal bad practices, frequent incidents that turn clients away, and communication gaps. It's crucial to maintain track of the quantity, nature, and, if available, sentiment analysis of your conversations with customers, both positive and negative. Tracking regularly recurring comments and feedback, both good and negative, taking place on Facebook, in a document can help you keep the outcomes of qualitative feedback close to hand. Tracking improves user experience, but it also helps you improve your customer service overall. Once you comprehend how audiences connect with your business on Facebook, you will be able to spot user experience concerns that you would have missed otherwise. With a thorough database of client complaints, staff are better equipped to resolve issues. Improving customer service has the additional benefit of reducing negative reviews and exposure about your company. Resolving issues before dissatisfied customers vent on Facebook is advantageous for all parties involved. Compared to social media marketing, social media customer support has different potential and obstacles. But having social media policies in place is just as crucial. These ought to be in line with the social marketing team's values and those of your business. Remember that these guidelines will help keep things consistent for all customers and can help avoid negative experiences. The guidelines for your brand's online customer care should cover the following topics: a message approval process and a permissions management system, duration of response escalation processes for each channel and other customer issues, answers to frequently asked questions, and voice variation. Make sure that one of your guidelines is also about transparency. Even though you are not required to answer a client's question immediately, you should be forthright about how long it will take to fix their issue. Your consumers will appreciate honesty more than having to ask you for the millionth time when you'll address their issue, whether you need to submit a ticket with your product team or you honestly don't know how long it will take to repair an outage. Companies will receive a lot of critical remarks on social media in addition to favorable ones. Both categories of reviews need a response from the brand. The social media support staff must refrain from rewarding the haters of your company and its goods with snarky replies. Anger meeting anger almost never works to resolve the consumer's issues. However, they must also be careful not to over-involve themselves with positive conversations. Replies should be short, sweet, and to the point while still reflecting empathy. A new paradigm in customer service communication and management is being fueled by direct messaging and its mobile-first nature. Additionally, statistics show that customers are happy when the customer experience is included in the tools they currently use. For this reason, direct messaging applications like Facebook Messenger marks a significant shift in how customers and businesses interact. With Messenger, you can receive alerts when your company receives a text message on your mobile device and send an automated message every time a new message arrives. You may customize your message to say welcome, offer further information about your page, or specify when you expect a response. Please note that to change your page messaging status to away automatically outside of business hours, you must first compose an away message. Messenger also allows you to set up and confirm appointments, orders, and payments with customers, but it can do so much more. Facebook has actually been releasing new chat plugins for a while now, enabling users to start a conversation with a business via Facebook after installing the plugin on their website. With the help of this update, customers can now contact businesses through Facebook even when they are not using the social media platform, and they can also pick up where they left off at any moment using the Messenger app on their smartphone. As part of our page creation, setup, and management package, we can assist in your website's chatbot creation and deployment using Messenger. That means you leave all the technical stuff to 7 Social so you can focus on top-notch service.
In addition to utilizing the competitive advantage afforded by Facebook-centered customer services, savvy businesses regularly analyze and implement new social media trends. For instance, advancements in such technologies as AI and chatbots will radically transform how companies manage support queries, and we can help you set yours up.